Hi guys, welcome to Nehmo Family. Today I'm sharing Halloween lunch ideas for kids. Here's what I made my daughter for lunch. Ghost and bat-shaped beef quesadillas with the side of salsa, some heart-shaped strawberries, yogurt with blueberries, some grapes, and heart and star-shaped cucumbers. Peanut butter and jelly bat-shaped sandwich, blackberries, strawberries, grapes, yogurt with blueberries, bat and spiderweb pretzels, strawberry egg sandwich with ghost veggie chips, yogurt with Halloween sprinkles, grapes, blueberries, and carrots. Bacon ranch pumpkin pasta with a side salad, cabbage and cherry tomatoes, yogurt with Halloween sprinkles, blueberries, grapes, and ghost-shaped cucumbers, chicken nuggets with the side of ketchup, flower-shaped watermelons with a blueberry on top, yogurt with Halloween sprinkles, a Korean melon, heart-shaped cucumbers, and sweet radish. Mandu with soy sauce, cut up cheese stick, rocket-shaped cheese crackers, green apples, and steamed broccoli. And a pumpkin pie perfect bar and a juice box. Egg sandwich shaped into a leaf and 2 bats, some cinnamon, apple, bunny crackers, cheese stick, ghost cucumbers, and mango with a juice box and a yogurt. Tuna mac and cheese sprinkled with dill and cayenne pepper, 2 pumpkin spice cookies, cherry tomatoes, peaches, and ghost-shaped cucumbers with a yogurt and juice box on the side for snack. Peanut butter and jelly bat sandwiches, cherry tomatoes, ghost-shaped potato chips, Halloween gummies, pumpkin-shaped peaches, and ghost-shaped cucumbers. Pumpkin-shaped quesadilla, cherry tomatoes, ghost and bat veggie chips, M&Ms and Skittles, pumpkin-shaped peaches and mangoes. Spooky purple mac and cheese with 2 chicken tenders with a side of barbecue sauce, a yogurt drink, a cutie with celery to make it look like a pumpkin, celery with peanut butter, and candy eyeballs. Ghost-shaped cheese pizza with olives as the eyes, pumpkin-shaped mango, strawberries, bat-shaped cookies, bat and ghost potato chips. Hello Panda Halloween themed, juice box bulgogi and rice sprinkled with sesame seeds, flower-shaped watermelon, heart-shaped sweet radish, blueberries, and Korean melon. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, and if you like this video, please like for more videos like this.